Hi, today I will show how to crochet snowflakes. And I use this yarn and I use this side hook. First, we make yarn look like circle, like this. And then we crochet 1 chain and 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then we crochet together like that. 1, 2, 3 chains. And we don't crochet this, we crochet next. 1 double crochet. And 2 chains. And next we crochet 1 double crochet. Next 1 double crochet. 2 chains. And next 1 double crochet. And next 1 double crochet. Like this. And we work beginning. After we work beginning, we get 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 chains, and we crochet together. And now we crochet like that. Then we go over here, and now 1, 2, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, and 2 double crochet same part. And we don't crochet this, we crochet next. 2 double crochet, 3 chains, 2 double crochet. Next same, 2 double crochet, 3 chains, and 2 double crochet, and then we work beginning. After we work beginning, and now we crochet together. Like that. And now we crochet 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 chains, and then 5 double crochet same part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this part we crochet like that, and next we crochet 5 double crochet and we work beginning 5 double crochet, 3 chains and same 5 double crochet, five, and this we crochet like that, and we repeat beginning. After we work beginning and now we crochet like that, and we crochet 1 single crochet, next 1 single crochet, same, next same, and then crochet like that, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then we crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, same part we crochet like that, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, same part, and 1 single crochet, next 1, and this part we crochet like that, and now we crochet 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and same part we crochet like that, and next 1 2 3 4 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 9 chains, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and 6 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that, and then we repeat beginning. And then we finish. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Thank you so much.